Very heartily good morning to all of you. How are you? I think so you all are safe and fine at home. So today I discuss the geography of class 6 and the chapter 1. So you take out your geography book and the topic is just in front of your board, the solar system and the planet. And first go through the introduction. We all have our families, right? Even your friend, classmate must have their families. Your teacher have a family. So we all have our own family. In fact, in a locality where you live, you must see so many families. So you can see one family or so many families to get together. So all these families live together on earth. Have you wondered that earth also have a family? Well, must we? Yes. In fact, earth has own its family, and that's called a solar system. Sun is the head of this family, and with Sun we have 8 other members including Earth. All these 8 members are called planet, and Earth are also a planet, just like the other of them. So let's begin. Come on. All objects visible in the sky are called heavenly bodies or the crystal bodies. It means that you have to see different types of objects in the sky. They are called the heavenly bodies and the crystal bodies. Here is two things has been covered on the topic. That is the what is the heavenly and the crystal bodies. Now look, heavenly means natural object. Heavenly means natural object visible in the sky. Whereas crystal means of a heavenly or a sky. Okay. Now the second point is the heavenly body include the star, planet, satellite, asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. It means that our heavenly body include means it get together with the star, planets, satellite, asteroids, meteors, and comets. As you all are familiar with the star, planet, satellite, there is a three word has come, which is as you all are familiar and also a little familiar. The word is asteroids. You know what is the meaning of asteroids? Asteroid means a small star. It is a very minimized star which we can't see from our naked eyes. Okay. Now the second is meteoroids. What is a meteoroids? Meteoroids is a broken star. As when I was a child, and usually I used to show on the sky when I haven't got a lot of the time that my mom has told me that why you are always seeing the sky. I have got one option, and on that time I told to my mom and my parents that I used to see where is the meteors and how the meteors is coming on the earth. The meaning of the meteors is the broken of the star. You may see that the star has broken from the sky. And the second point is the comets. Comets are a mass of ice and a dust with a long tail moving around the solar system. Okay. Our Earth is also a heavenly body. Okay. The word universe. The word universe stands for everything that exists in space. Universe means, universe means it contains the all things which come inside the earth. Okay, and it exists in space. We do not know exactly how and when this vast universe come into existence. Our scientists couldn't prove and couldn't give any information to others that how this universe come into existence. Or we may say that universe is made by the God. It is the true fact. Scientists have pronounced a theory that the universe originated as a result of the Big Bang about 14 million years ago. Here is the word Big Bang. Again I repeat it, just look. Scientists may pronounce a theory. It means that scientists give a theory about the universe that it originated as a result. It produced a result. It is known as Big Bang theory. You know what is the meaning of Big Bang? Big Bang, we may say that biggest destruction, huge destruction. The things which has been destructed. Destructed means all things become destroyed. Okay? Or in Hindi we may say that it is a Mahavispot. Okay? Now, the universe has innumerable galaxies. Innumerable galaxies means a large number of galaxies which can't be counted. Galaxies are huge group of stars. Huge groups of stars, planets, gas, dust, etc. which are held together in space by the gravity. Here is a huge group of stars. It means that galaxy contain a huge group of stars. There is a large number of stars and innumerable groups of stars which may be contain the planets, gas, dust, etc. which are held together in space by the gravity. Do you know what is the gravity? What is the gravity? Gravity means to attract something just inside the earth. Just look, it is a marker, and suppose that we throw the marker up and just drop it, the marker is fallen down. So that thing which is attracted by the earth is known as the gravity. Okay? Now, our sun and all the planets visible in the night sky are part of Milky Way galaxy. Okay, our sun and all the stars, these things, sun and all the stars which are visible in night sky are the part of a Milky Way galaxy. Now, the Milky Way is called Akash Ganga in Hindi. Akash Ganga, it is the Hindi meaning of galaxy, Milky Way. Okay. It is estimated that our galaxy consists of 10,000 crore stars. So, it is a very huge star which is contained by our galaxy. There is one question is raised that how many stars contain or the consist by our galaxy. So, your answer is 10,000 crore. Okay. Now, the next topic is, I think so you all have understood. So I go to the next topic. The topic is stars. Now, come to the next topic. The topic is stars. What is a stars? Stars are crystal body which produce their own heat and light. As we all know that sun is the head of the solar system and sun gives the light to all the things. Whereas stars has also produced the heat and light of their own. Okay. The stars are huge body made up of hot gases. As they have their own heat and light, they are visible to us at night. Only stars has their own heat and light. So they visible at night. I think so you are get familiar with the visible. Visible means to see. Okay. Now they are very distant from us, so they are looking small. Now the question is, why the star is looking so small? Why the star is looking so small? Your answer is you may say that it is so far from the earth. Only for that condition star looks small. Okay. Now the star forms from the mass of dust or gas moving in the space called the nebula. Okay, these things the star has formed by the mass of moving dust and the gases. Just they are called nebula. Soon the nebula becomes a hot, dense ball and certain heat up. This hot core become a star and emit our great amount of heat and energy. It means that star is become a heat and great amount of the energy. Okay. Okay. Just wait. There is one topic again I want to discuss to you, that our sun. Our sun is also a star. As we all know that the sun, one thing I forgotten to told you that sun is also a star. Sun is also a star. It is an ordinary medium sized star. Okay, and it looks big in comparison to the other star due to the closeness to the earth. It is become so closest to the earth, only for this condition it looks like a huge star. As you all are hear the word, hear the word Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is the nearest star to the earth. Apart of sun, it is more about 4.24 light year. 4.24 light year away from the earth. Okay, just I stop here, and from the next, then I start the next topic. The topic is the light year. Okay, thank you. Okay.